Hey guys, welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors with Chris here on a Saturday afternoon. Check out my O face. Hopefully, I get a lot more views. Apparently, that's the way they do it. I'm going to move myself down here and get right into some price action on Bitcoin. Let's jump right into it here. So, Bitcoin did close above the bottom side Bollinger Band right there at let's see, on the 12 hour, initiating a target back up to 32. Our target was about 34,000. We did hit that, and the question was, were we going to get a reversal or go back? Bitcoin is still ranging between 30,000 and about 40,000 right here. And the fear and greed index did just tick up from a 34 to a 74. Are people getting more greedy or fearful? I don't know, but we're seeing open interest also ranging between about 5.5 billion and 4.5 billion, indicating Bitcoin going sideways as we're seeing here. That's the interpretation of this is sideways action. And what I want to jump right into is the 4 hour and just give us some clear things to look at. So on the 4 hour, if we close anywhere below here at about 30,000, call it 30,700, that's going to initiate some serious targets down here to about 23 or 24,000. Let's see if I can pull this up here. Yeah, 23, 24,000, right in this range. I can move this up here. That's 24, and I'd probably put that right about there. So any kind of a closure below, I would say 30,500 right here. I'm looking for moves back down, all the way down to around 24,000. And you can see this a little more clearly on the CMEs right here. That's 30,500 there, and I'll leave that one there. I don't think we're hitting 20,000 anytime soon. Now on the other side, if we do get a closure above 35,000, call it 35,000 right here, 35,175 or 105, that's going to initiate a move back up to 37,300, which I do like this area for continuation. Any kind of a closure above 37,500, I'm looking for new all-time highs. Definitely going to head back up towards 41, 42,000, and probably new all-time highs from there. Let's move on back down to the 4 hour on our regular charts here, and the 4 hour. If we have any kind of a closure back above 33,650, that is going to initiate a target back up to our, call it 37,000 up there. Again, any kind of a closure above 37,000, I think we're going to look at continuation. You got the MACD crossing back up here, starting to turn green. Let's take a look at the 3 hour. Okay, any kind of a wick higher than 35,600, which is going to be this last high over here. Any kind of a wick above there, just a wick. I'm going to extend targets another $2,000 up to that 37,000 and then probably higher. Now, let's take it down to a 2 hour. If you want to get down to the 2 hour, any closure, and I was looking at this a bit earlier. Any closure below this 32,371, that's initiating a target back down to here, 30,150. I do believe that that's going to get hit, and I could be wrong here. It looks like it's ticking back up, but we did get that closure below that last low here, and that did get us a move down to 31,700, but I probably look for that to get extended over time. Let's just pop right into some gold really quick. What is our gold doing here? Gold, let's look at the weekly here. What's gold doing on the weekly? Is kind of a little bit convoluted here, so I'm going to take some of this off and make it easier to look at. And yeah, so gold probably going to open up down next week, and any kind of a move above this last high, call it 1870. I'm looking for a move all the way up to 1930. So maybe a little down earlier, and then a move up to 1930. Now, if we do take out last week's low, no, here, right here at 1816, I'm going to look for a move all the way back down to 1766, 1775 in this region. That's what I'm looking for on gold. And let's jump into some, take a look at Ripple. Ripple is not having a party here, guys. Not good. Down while most of the other altcoins are rallying. Link, let's take a look at that on a daily. Link is looking great. Broke its last all-time high here, and it looks like it consolidated a bit, and now we're heading for new all-time highs. Two other ones I'm really looking at is Comp, and that one looks good. Look, rallying here while Bitcoin's going sideways. And then Synthetic, same thing, rallying while Bitcoin's going sideways. And let's take a look real quick at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is heading down, which means altcoins are probably going to get a little party in there. We might, let's take a look on a weekly here. We might bounce here a little bit, but then I'm looking for this to come back down and get hit at 59.30, 59.50. Yeah, I'll just say, while this comes down, congrats to all the altcoin hodlers. Congratulations, except for if you're hodling Ripple. Now let's take another favorite of ours, Ethereum, my new favorite. Ethereum is kind of being a bad boy to me right now, but that's okay because it's been good to me all year long. So we are going to have a chance to close above the topside 200 band for the weekly. That most likely will confirm new all-time highs, and that'll be confirming in 1 day in about 5 hours. So Sunday at 3 p.m. Pacific time. Actually, is that 4? Yeah, sorry, 4 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. Eastern. And what we are seeing here on the daily is let's take up our other chart here. This is confirming hidden bullish divergence. We have 1, 2, 3 stabs right here, right? So RSI is making lower lows while the price is making higher lows. That's confirmed bullish divergence. That is going to initiate a target up to about 1350 right here. And if that gets taken out, obviously we're looking at new all-time highs. You can do that, look at that on a 12-hour. You know, if 1350 gets taken out, my next target is going to be up here at 1500. And let's just pull out a Fibonacci retracement really quick and look at this from this low to this high. No, I did it wrong. Okay, let's do it again. So that's going to give us a target. Next target up here at about 1850. You know, we got this one here at 1430 and 1850 next target on the map, probably leading us all the way up to, I don't know, if 2500 gets hit. I'd say probably about 2000 next target. Now, by contrast, I could really start to get bearish here with any sort of a 12-hour closure. If we take out this low right here at 1050, that'll initiate a target all the way back down to about $800 right here. Yeah, so any kind of a 12-hour closure below yesterday's low, you can see that on a daily here, of 1050, I'm going to initiate a target all the way back down to about $800 here, the green 50, right here. Where's 800? There you go. The cyan 89-day moving average. Yeah, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up today, guys. Hope you're having a blessed and wonderful weekend. Thanks again for stopping in and watching my little YouTube video. I'm going to be cutting it short, and please forgive the O-face. I'm going to see if we can get a few extra followers this week. All right, take care.